Black Sun program are Satanists. So, who are the Satanists in the negative alien agenda? Most of the Black Suns are comprised of the reptile insectoid collectives. These groups are primarily responsible for spreading satanic practices on the earth, particularly pushing blood sacrifice and child sacrifice ritual practices, because as predatorial parasites, they require a massive amount of human soul energy to survive, and consider sacrificed children to be a delicacy. As a result, they have made many deals with the Black Sun Satanist power elite to keep them in control of the planetary resources, more specifically, the black magic currency and global financial institutions. They endorse and protect those in power that have been prolific harvesters of child sacrifice and that carry out the activities that serve their human enslavement agenda. Aleister Crowley was contacted in 1904 and is the Black Sun poster child of the last century. He was given power and Essene Gnostic knowledge to spread the OTO into the related satanic practices in order to build the black magic grids or Thothean grids worldwide for supporting the control network for the power elite. These are essentially the infiltrations that were made into the planetary grid networks that are used today to support the power elite rituals through the use of black magic sorcery, making their mind control sorcery and blood rituals more effective. The power elite draw upon a massive energetic field harvested from human souls that was generated specifically for them in order to maintain the highest levels of wealth in the pyramid of global control. Some of the Black Suns are obsessed with the ideology of creating an elite race with a superior Olympian, Titan, Nordic body, and have stolen and genetically modified the Ruby Sun DNA from human beings for this reason. They have cloned out these bodies so that they appear to be Nordic humans, making it easier to infiltrate human culture, as well as to satisfy their personal vanity. The Black Suns are comprised of black satanic forces and joined with the fallen angelics to counteract and destroy the angelic human guardian race for control and domination of this time vector in the universal time matrix. The reptile insectoid collective includes the dragon moth from Orion black hole system, necrometon beetle hominids, and men in black from the Nibiruan lines, Marduk Omicron from Alpha Centauri, Centaur hybrids from Omega Centauri, the Zeta from Rigel and Zeta Draconian agendas, and the Zeta from Zeta Reticuli. The Black Suns are also referred to as Black Suns from their DNA genetic lineage, in that their heart center and source connection is made from a black hole. The Black Suns have reversed their DNA for many eons of inciting warring aggression against multiple species in the universal timelines. They exist primarily in the reverse 10th dimensional DNA strand, and thus they maintain a network in the Middle East to run reversal currents in which they use the Iran-Iraq gate to sustain themselves. They actively groom and cultivate satanic ritual abuse for mass human blood sacrifice in the areas they have control, like the Middle East, because they require the blood and soul energy for sustenance to survive. and are addicted to human hormones in the bloodstream like adrenochrome. They are capable of existing in three-dimensional consciousness while in their body, yet they have access to 10 dimensions of timelines in the collective consciousness field. They are primarily from the Satanic class network family, although they work and cooperate with the Luciferian families to gain control over the planet territories and share in the spoils of war. They cannot cellularly transmute their body in and out of stargates easily, and they need to use Earth human genetics to do that, which is why they have a special interest in starseed people. They access limited levels of biological immortality through the vampirism and siphoning of other living things, such as harvesting the life force energy of planet Earth.